Welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how Coca-Cola is made, from raw ingredients to the final bottle. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind-the-scenes factory tours.
The ingredients are carefully combined under strict controls to create the famous Coca-Cola taste and consistency.
Pressure on line 2 is optimal.
Copy that, increasing flow rate.
Every batch is carefully tested to ensure the perfect flavor, carbonation, and quality. Every bottle is checked carefully before leaving the factory.
And that's how Coca-Cola is made, from start to finish.